Let's talk coronavirus, COVID-19, and ways to cope with social distancing and a few ideas to maintain your life as much as you can during this pandemic. If that sounds interesting, or something you might want to listen to, stick around. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. We usually do a lot more than just talk on this channel. Also, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to ring that bell icon. That way you'll be notified when we release new videos. You might also share this video or other videos with your friends and family. Oh, one more thing, leave us a comment below. Share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear back from you. One last thing. If you're more into outdoor activities, be sure to check out our other channel over at Dirty Shoes Adventures. Now, let's jump into the video. Good morning or afternoon or evening, my fellow YouTube watchers. Okay, really, I'm not making light of the current pandemic, but I want to say, while this coronavirus, the COVID-19 pandemic, may control many aspects of our lives, it can't control everything. So wherever or however you can find things to enjoy life without so much stress, do it. It's time to really look for some coping skills. It's really real, folks, and it's impacting all of our lives in one way or the other. For some, the social distancing is really tough. For those, while it's not the same as physical presence, FaceTime and use other means of social media, that may be just enough to keep you going. I think we should try to find some positive things out of this, too. One of which is coming closer to the family within your own home. Perhaps mom, dad are always busy, working, shopping, do other things, general life. They may find themselves with more free time to spend with the kids. You could print out coloring pages and sit down and color with your kids, read books. If you have a child that's old enough to read, let him or her read along with you. You read a paragraph, they read a paragraph. If you've got a whole family, everybody reads a paragraph. Go out in the backyard, throw the ball around. Teach them to cook. Nikki says a lot of the younger generation doesn't know how to cook. So it's time to learn a new set of skills, not just for the ladies, for the guys too, and I'm guilty. And you get me past hamburger helper and we're out of luck. But anyway, like I was saying, go in the kitchen and become creative. Go out in the garage. Rearrange the garage. Go through them boxes that's been sitting out there forever that you don't know what's in them. You might decorate a room or rearrange the house. There's things to do. Some lessons all of us can get out of this coronavirus is to realize we shouldn't depend on others and other things to entertain ourselves. Some families have lost or unable to practice good family skills, such as spending time with each other and just talk. So talk to your kids. Ask them what they're getting out of all this, what their opinion is on this situation. Remember, the children are our world's future. It's time to get creative, folks. I do realize some of us do not have small children still at home, but we can still find things to do. One thing that I plan to do is change the line on my fishing reel. Get ready. Crappie season is here. I got some thin line on there from when we went trout fishing. And I don't want to get a big old bass that hits that and just snaps that line. So I'm going to change my line. Probably do that tomorrow. Also need to clean my, how can I word that? My pow-pow. Oil it down. Make sure it's in good working order. And if you're like me, you enjoy taking pictures and shooting video. Even if you can't get out and do these things, there are tons of YouTube videos out there to help you learn more. Even if pictures or videos aren't your thing and you have other hobbies or just want to start one, YouTube has an abundance of free tutorials on just about everything. Maybe it's time to expand your horizons. Now, I mentioned social distancing a minute ago. Check this out. This is Times Square in New York City. I've never been there, but I've watched enough of Casey Neistat and other videos and movies to know this ain't normal. Okay, so here's some hard facts concerning this national pandemic of 2020. Let's look at this together. Let me flip this around and show you what I'm seeing. Yeah, check this out. Last updated on 3/24/2020 at 4:28 a.m. Check us out. USA is number 3, which is not a good thing. This is the John Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center map. So it doesn't look good, but it is what it is. What was this? This was ABC News. All right. Here, Where's Texas? Let's go to this one. Coronavirus disease, COVID-19 outbreak situation. 334,981 confirmed cases. Well, how does that compare? 334. See, there is a difference there. Now, this one is according to the World Health Organization. So, I would probably put more stock into this one. However, the other one is supposed to be accurate. Confirmed this. That's sad. Yeah, cases in the U.S. according to the CDC. Coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19. This was updated March 23rd, 2020. We have total cases in the U.S. at 33,404. Total deaths 400. So I guess for the U.S. we're not there, but we definitely add a big chunk into that. Jurisdictions reporting cases 54. 50 states, District Columbia, Puerto Rico, Guam, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. And if you want a link to this, I'm going to put it in the description down below. All right, news updates. This is the Texas Health and Human Services website. I'll put a link to this one down here in the description as well. People tested 10,055. And apparently there's 1,575 public labs and 8,480 private labs. Total statewide cases 352, deaths 8. That's 8 too many, but numbers are going to go up, I'm afraid. Here where I live, Wichita County, there's 4. But I can tell you, according to the local health department, this should be 5 the last time I looked. We'll check that out in just a minute. People living down around Austin, you got 22. Potter, that's Amarillo. I don't know where a lot of these counties are, but you can check out your own county. Like I said, I'll put links down at the bottom. Tarrant County 9. There's a lot more information on here for other illnesses as well. Coronavirus is not the only illness out there, folks. There's a lot more out there. It's just, this is what's hitting us right now. The Texas Tribune. Yeah, the Texas Tribune. I really didn't have nothing much to say on this one. I mean, there are some good links. I just found I just found this site the other night when I was just sitting doing nothing. Uh, Governor Greg Abbott resists calls from statewide shelter-in-place moves to expand hospital capacity. Dallas County orders residents to shelter in place as coronavirus cases there spread. This is where we're at. That was the news. All right. Oh, if y'all get a chance, check this one out. This the
You wouldn't accept an incomplete job from anyone else.
No, a cute little puppy. Anyhow, they're pretty bad. Let me hang on. Let's get back around here. So this is real, folks. But it's not the end of the world. Not yet. We still got a what's that old saying? We still got a trick up our sleeves. It's called let's get this thing under control and kick its butt so we can get on with our lives. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and it's kind of a new thing for me to be the little talking head, and I like going and doing, but between my new job and everything that's going on, we just hadn't had a whole lot of time to get out there. And I'm not all that interested. I'm not real nervous about being around people. But you know, if the house is on fire, why walk through it? Just sit back, let it burn itself out. No use in taking a chance, folks. So y'all keep your social distancing, and like I said, if y'all have any comments or ideas, you know, just share them with us. We're all in this together. So anyhow, I hope this wasn't too boring and too bad. So maybe we'll do it again. In the meantime, y'all keep on keeping on. We'll see y'all down the road. Bye.